What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be walking you through how to change the valve cover gasket on a Mini Cooper S R56, also compatible with R60. Here's the Mini. $298, $220. It's also the same as the FLE Pro VS 5078 8R. Okay, so some of the first things we're going to do is remove this cover. Just pops off right here. Comes off just like that. There's one. Two. Gonna disconnect this. Here we go. Three. Okay, just set that aside. Okay. Disconnect this cam sensor right here. Okay. Disconnect another sensor. Okay. Alright, so for the coils, you just pop this guy up, disconnect it. Okay. And then pop this guy up. Okay, disconnect it. Alright, so we got it marked, outer left, inner left. Pop this one out. Inner right. And last one. Outer right. There we go. There's one coil. You got that done. You just take out this vent hose here. Should just be on a little clip. Just pop it out. Disconnect it. And this one is a pinch type, I believe. It should just be a pinch type. Alright, finally got it popped off. It's really tricky. It's like a pinch type, but you kind of just gotta start rotating it until these little lips right here are clear of it. Alright, next we're gonna do the bolts around the sides. Got a 10mm here. Just go ahead and unscrew them. Okay. Couple more. We got going on. Okay, that's an 8. Okay. Alright, got the wiring harness undone. Just got some of these. One more clip back there, right there. And now I'm going to undo the bolts in the back. Alright, so loosen up these ones. This one's on a stud for the ground wire. And last one. That should be it. Two down in here. Loosen those up. Okay. There we go. This one's somewhere a little bit more safe, so I don't lose these on the ground. Now I'm just popping them out, working that gasket out, making sure I keep the bolts in the same position so they all go back in the same way. Okay, working it out. And got that one. Okay. That one. And there's my old gasket. So we're just gonna clean up the mating surface a little bit. Got some WD-40 here. Give it a wipe down. Feels pretty good. Let's see, holes aligned. Holes are aligned. A little advice: take these things out. You can just slip them back in after, like that. Make sure that they're down all the way. Okay. Seems good. Yep. We'll just tighten everything back up. Probably do it by hand first. The tightening procedure for the bolt pattern. So here it is, right here. You got your bolt pattern. And they're labeled 1, 2, 3, all the way through 12. You tighten them in that order. So it'll go with the back bolt here, 1, 2, right here, and then goes to 3 in the hole, 4 over here, 5 on the side, and then 6 back corner, 7 upper front, 8 right here, 9 back here, and 10 right here, and then 11 on the right corner, and 12 back corner. Alright guys, I got the bolts all snugged up there, got my ground connected. Now I'm just putting the wiring harness back in. So yeah, just remember your clip spots. So just get those back installed there. This one down there in the hole. Like that. Okay. This one back on over here. Okay. Okay, now this guy is just gonna slip right back on there and should just pop right in. Yeah, got little clips here. Might have to go under them first, bring them back up in. Yep, just like that. Same with this one. Feels good. Okay, got your clips over here. should go like that. And right here. Okay, now we got our vent hose. Pop that thing in. Okay, and the breather hose. Get that. Oh. There we go. Feels good. Okay. Okay, finishing up the remaining ones. Outer right. Okay, and outer left with the outer left. Just like that. Pop this guy in. Close it. Okay, it's on a track. Should just snug right in there. Close that one. And the last one right here. Just like that. Okay. I believe that's everything. Got my oil cap. Okay. All my connections are made. Everything is on. Yeah, should be it. This one's got a little groove here. You just make sure the groove goes under the wiring harness here, and then it just pops in just like that.